Kim Chiu, ready na magka-pamilya? Yan po ang kanyang sagot about sa tanong sa kanyang personal life. Ayan, panoorin po natin ang buong interview nila ni Paolo.
Mga kapatid ko. Ngayon, sana ako naman. Wow! Yeah. Gusto ko yung palakpak ni tita. Gusto ko tumira na rin dito sa Amerika at magkaroon ng pamilya. Hoy! Hindi, ang heart... PG naman kami. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-sexy. Parang ganun tanduay yung, hindi naman siya ganun lang.
Grabe! Wow!
Bakit may ganyan? Ba't ibang shape yan? Bakit mas maliit na size?
Feeling ko kayo nagpa-print niyan, no?
Alright, so we have another question. And this one is from Giuseppe. Giuseppe from SoCal Filipinos and Phil-Am Creative. Giuseppe, Bisaya po ba yan eh?
Wow, hello.
Taga Cebu
My
po.
buntag Kim.
May
and
buntag.
good morning, Pao. My name is Giuseppe from SoCal Filipinos and Phil-Am Creative. Regarding SoCal Filipinos, you met Jason yesterday. He wanted to ask first, like, which cookie did you like better, Jason's or Ginger's?
Pareho masarap. Hindi mo kinain.
Hindi ko pa natitikman. Hindi ko pa natitikman.
To be determined.
Pero maybe later this day or this evening. But andun lang naman. Hindi ko pa natitikman, but yeah.
For Film Creative, from your series Lin Lang and Secretary Kim, both amazing, intense series, how was the transition from those series to your first debut movie, My Love Will Make You Disappear? Mr. Candidate number 1 and Miss Candidate number 1.
Yes, who will be the winner in this competition? What's the difference? What's the difference? Transition. Siyempre, magkaiba naman ng mga tone yung mga projects na nagawa namin. Linlang was very heavy, very dark, about deceit, about panglilinlang, and tapos What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, isa naman siyang adaptation na romantic comedy din. Pero this is an original story, and we're very proud to show everyone our versatility sa tandem namin. Parang this project is, it gave us a different challenge, pero rewarding siya afterwards kasi we get to show the people who love us, who support us, a new side of our tandem. So, medyo kakaiba yung mapapanood nila dito. Maraming smile from Paolo Avellino. Yeah!
Sir, I would say coming from Lin Lang, which was tackling infidelity, and it was so intense. And I'm sure if some of you guys have seen Lin Lang, it was nothing sweet at all. So I never really expected us to come up with like several projects afterwards. I always try to find or to mix things up and find something new that I can offer every time I enter a project. And I would say like, My Love Will Make You Disappear. I would say it's like a mashup of the intensity of Lin Lang and the romance of Lin Lang and the lightness of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. So it's a mix of both. It's definitely lighter, but I would say this movie has a lot of heart. And if you've seen Secretary Kim, mas Pinoy. Mas Pinoy naman tong what nahalo ko na. My Love Will Make You Disappear. So yung mga dilemmas and sentiments are very, very Filipino and napagdadaanan ng mga not just the young people but even mga kaidaran natin.
Nice. Winner. All right, so Rosel de Guzman of Kim Pao Team Abroad has a question for both Kim and Paolo. Rosel, hello.
Hi, good morning. Welcome
Good
back
morning.
to California, and congratulations on your movie.
Thank you.
This is for Kim. Given the chance, what are your current life aspirations after fulfilling all your heart's desires? Seeing your family thrive and achieving financial security, what more do you desire from yourself at this point?
Nakakaiyak naman yung ano na yan. Tsaka maanghang sa eyes. Uy, hindi. Ano naman, I'm very lucky to be in this lifetime na parang hindi man naging okay yung childhood ko, pero parang naitama naman siya. Uy, baka magkaiyakan pa tayo dito. Charot lang. Naging okay naman siya along the way through hard work, through tapang ng sarili kung kakayanin o hindi. Through ABS-CBN na rin. My heart and yun, yung suporta ng pamilya ko. Tapos sobrang okay naman na sila lahat ngayon. As a proud parent, di pala parent, sister, I'm very happy sa naging, desire ko lang talaga, as of this moment, ay maging successful yung My Love Will Make You Disappear. Kasi ang dami talagang napagdaanan ng movie na to. And pinaghandaan talaga naming mabuti. And then, nagkaroon pa kami ng bagong blessing na naka-release siya worldwide in 34 countries and counting. So, sobrang ang laki ng movie. Ang wish ko lang talaga ay maging successful to. Marami yung makapanood. Hindi man sa, mga Pilipino and hindi Pilipino. So, nakaka-proud. Yun lang talaga yung desire ko. Lord, please, give it to us. Wow, give it to us! Give it to me. Charot lang.
Give it to them.
Yeah.
All right, Rosel, you have one more question from Paolo.
Sorry for Paulo. After patiently waiting for 15 years to work with Kim Chu, what were your expectations and how did your professional relationship begin?
Oo nga eh.
Ang lalim na.
15 years. Yep. When I first transferred to ABS-CBN, I immediately, actually hindi ko na naalala yung interview na yun, pero given how I think, I was thinking then, Kim was very bubbly and parang she's so pleasant to watch on TV, so I wanted to work with her. But so many things happened along the way and parang yun, nabigyan na rin ng pagkakataon sa wakas during Linlang when we were looking for the cast for Juliana. So maraming na-considered. Medyo nagulat rin ako nung lumabas yung name ni Kim. Tinanong ko kaagad sa producers namin and director kung nabasa na ba ni Kim yung script. Kasi kaya niyo ba? Parang yun naman. Sabi ko,
Nagdudahan mo ba ako?
hindi kasi medyo, medyo mainit. Mainit yung mga eksena. But, ayun nga, kaya naman daw ni Kim. So I was excited. I always see Kim sa mga ASAP shows and stuff. But we never got to really mingle together dahil hindi rin naman ako nagsasalita at hindi rin ako nakikihalubilo masyado. Pero I'm happy and glad. And now that I got to work with her, parang mas na-appreciate ko si Kim dahil... dahil medyo pareho kami ng work ethics. Mabilis akong kumilos pagdating sa trabaho. Gusto ko maayos lahat and very organized. And parang yun rin yung nakita ko kay Kim. Kasi alam niyo naman yung mga artista minsan, di ba? Parang babagal kumilos, nag-makeup pa, nagre-retouch pa, nagbibihis pa.
Sino yan?
Marami.
Welcome to the bus.
Hindi ka naman sinasabi na negative yun. Pero mahirap talagang mag-artista dahil ang daming kinukunan na eksena sa isang araw. At syempre, yung mga in-betweens yung kailangan nila mag-ayos. But ayun, natuwa ako na maganda yung work ethics ni Kim. So, nung dumating yung mga pagkakataon na nabigyan kami ng pagkakataon mag-work ulit after Linlang, parang hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. na mag-yes sa mga project na yan.
Sa rom-com.
Ayun guys, di ba puring-puri ni Paolo ang work of ethics ni Kim Chiu dahil sabi nga niya, yung ibang babae daw, artista na medyo maraming ginagawa, kaya medyo mabagal, pero si Kim Chiu talaga, yun talaga. Kaya nung nag-offer nga doon ng another project with Kim Chiu, talagang hindi na siya doon nag-iisip, talagang hindi na talagang tinanggap niya agad because of Kim Chiu talaga. So, alam nyo guys, si Paolo talaga, alam naman natin si Paolo, very serious guy, tapos pagtrabaho, tapos makikita mo talaga sa kanya na very, siya, magsagot, very professional, kaya siguro talaga yung mga fans na Kim po, talagang kapit na kapit sa kanilang dalawa, kapit na kapit sa kanyang ganyang pagkatao. Ayan, so thankful tayo dahil ganun si Paolo kay Kim. Ayan, eto, nagtanong si Madam. Sabi niya siya 85 years old na siya, and then ang tanong niya dun sa dalawa, ano yung feelings na at that moment na napakarami nilang fans na pumunta ba from different places. Ayan, so, and then yung message ng Kim Pao sa mga fans kung bakit sila thankful, kung bakit sila grateful sa mga fans. Ito, pakinggan natin ang sagot ng Kim Pao. Ayan po.
Is your message to all your fans, someone from Cayman Islands, someone from Orlando, Florida, and secret revealed. I am a journalist. I'm supposed to be unbiased. I'm supposed not to be affected by feelings when I write my stories. And my secret is separately, first, I've been a secret fan of Paula. And then later on of Kim, when I saw Secretary and Linlang and all that, and now both of you. So I don't know, should I recuse myself from writing this story because I should not be affected by my feelings? I love you both.
Thank you. First of all, ma'am, baka pwede niyong ipamana sa new love niyo yung mga mana. Kasi mahal na tayo. I'm kidding, ma'am, but go.
What we are feeling at this very moment, syempre we're very thankful para makarinig ng mga ganyang stories that yun nga po nung asawa niyo po 10 years ago. So parang, and kami ni Pao made you happy kahit papano, naibsan yung kalungkutan. Actually, yun talaga yung purpose namin talaga. Gusto talaga namin magpasaya na maraming tao. And isa na po kayo doon. And thank you for saying that to us dahil it really means a lot. Kasi pag nakakita kami ng mga ganyan or nakakarinig kami ng stories, medyo lagi siya, parang OA siyang, lagi siya sinasabi, oh wow, nakakatuwa naman. Pero sobra po talagang impact sa amin yung nakakadagdag po ng inspiration na yung ginagawa namin na to is hindi lang para sa sarili namin, kundi na nire-reflect din namin yung kasiyahan namin. Wow, kasiyahan namin sa maraming tao. And that's what keeps us going. Parang hindi nakakapagod na gawin ito kasi meron kaming napapasayang maraming tao. And next is message to all the fans. Thank you so much. Alam, sobrang yes, kasi nakikita namin yung mga banners na yan sa mall show namin sa Pilipinas. Pero nakakatuwa kasi meron din banner dito sa Los Angeles, California. So, hindi lang pang Philippines, meron din sa Amerika. So, yung mga nakakatuwa kasi parang, di ba, hello Tito, Kim Pao Republic, mabuhay po kayo. Ayan, Kim Pao The Other Side, mga Kim Pao Universe, Kim Pao Team Abroad,
Kim Pao Cebu,
Kim Pao Cebu, Kim Chiu Global, yung
International.
binaba